Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Hey guys, did you know that there are certain words in Spanish that don't exist in English? It's true. You're probably thinking, whoa, I mean, surely there's a way to say it. And there usually is, but sometimes words just don't translate. So I'm gonna give you 10 words that don't exist in English, but do in Spanish. Number one is anteayer. Anteayer. This means the day before yesterday. See, in English, we have to describe it, the day before yesterday. So, but there's actually a word in Spanish, anteayer, says it all. Number two, empalagar. This is a verb, empalagar. This describes the feeling of having too much of something. Usually it's talking about something to eat, and usually it's specifically talking about something sweet. So you just had too much of this. And this is it's a verb, so you're kind of, okay, how did they use this? Here's an example. You could say, este dulce empalaga. So it's just, this candy is just, it's just too sweet. It's too much of it. So that's an interesting word you can bring into your vocabulary. Number three, tocayo. Tocayo, this is someone with the same name. Now you might be saying, oh, namesake. No, that's different. Okay, in Spanish, this is referring to somebody that you just have the same name. Doesn't mean you're related, doesn't mean anything. You just have the same name. Number four, friolero. Friolero. You probably know a friolero because it's someone who is very susceptible to being cold. They get cold easy. You walk into a room and everybody's, wearing their short sleeves and all, and this person is going, it's freezing in here. So somebody that is susceptible to being cold is friolero. Number five, sobremesa. Sobremesa. This is when you finish eating, but you decide to stay at the table and chat with your family or your friends. That is sobremesa. Number six, estrenar. Estrenar. This is when you wear clothes for the very first time. It's your first time breaking out that outfit. That's estrenar. So yeah, doesn't really have a good translation in English. Seven is madrugar. Madrugar. Yeah, this means to wake up early. So if you're one of those people that likes to get up at the crack of dawn or earlier, yeah, you can use this, madrugar. Number eight is trasnochar. Trasnochar. You can see the word noche is kind of built into that. It means to stay up late or stay out all night, pulling the midnight hours in. That's trasnochar. And number nine is tutear. Tutear means to treat someone in an informal way. You can see the word tu in there, although it doesn't have an accent. But tutear is to treat somebody in a formal, casual way. And number 10 is agujeta. Agujeta. This is muscle soreness. You might be thinking, oh yeah, wait, well, we just say soreness, right? Not exactly. This is muscle soreness that implies you haven't exercised in a while. So, and it comes from the word aguja, which means needle. Yeah. So amigos, there are 10 words that you can bring in to your vocabulary that don't exist in English. And hey, this might be a great topic of conversation. Now you know them. Now you can explain them. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. And until I see you next time, I wish for you and your family and friends paz y bendiciones, peace and blessings. Hasta pronto.